Welcome back to Natural Beauty Corner. Today we are revealing 10 powerful skincare hacks that actually work. These are some of my very favorite tips because they use common ingredients that you may already have at home. They are super affordable, super easy to do, and they are highly effective. If you suffer from oily, dry, sensitive, acne-prone skin, or any type of skin concern, I guarantee that at least one of these hacks will help you out. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Tip No. 1 is green tea ice cubes for instantly shrinking pores. This tip is amazing for those who have enlarged open pores. Green tea has a very astringent effect on the skin due to its high concentration of catechins and antioxidants. You can find a lot of skincare products containing green tea extract because of this pore tightening effect. But why buy them when you can make an effective green tea ice cube at home? Simply brew a cup of green tea, let it cool down, pour it into an ice tray, freeze, and then use it to massage your face in the morning or whenever you need to shrink your pores. Green tea ice cubes help not only to tighten the pores, but also to soothe the skin, reduce puffiness and inflammation. For best results, just rub gently and don't stay too long on the skin. Then wash your face with a mild cleanser in lukewarm water. Our next hack is banana peel rub for clear acne and to fade acne marks. This is a super nourishing and exfoliating trick that you should try. If you suffer from acne scars, uneven skin tone, or dull skin texture, the inside of a banana peel contains a slimy substance that works like magic to fade dark spots and blemishes. Rubbing the inside of a banana peel on your face is a very effective hack to clear up acne scars, get rid of dead skin cells, and brighten the skin tone. The potassium, vitamins, and fatty acids found in the banana peel will keep your skin moisturized and nourished. To do this, take a ripe banana, cut it lengthwise, and rub the inside of the peel onto your face for about 10 minutes. Make sure to focus on areas with hyperpigmentation or acne scars. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water and a mild cleanser. You can do this once or twice per week for the best results. Have you tried rubbing a banana peel on your face? Let us know in the comments below. Now let's move on to the third hack. Honey plus lemon mask for an instant glow. This is the most popular and beloved face mask for good reason. It brightens the skin, fades dark spots, and leaves you with a healthy glow in just 15 minutes. The malic acid in the lemon juice will help to brighten and even out your skin tone, while the antioxidant properties of the honey will help to protect your skin from environmental damage. To make this face mask, add 1 tablespoon of raw honey to 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice in a small bowl. Mix well and apply the mixture to your face using a brush or your hands. Let it sit on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water and patting your skin dry with a clean towel. You can do this once or twice per week for the best results. Hack number 4 is a cucumber eye treatment for no more puffy eyes. Puffy eyes can be caused by a variety of factors such as lack of sleep, dehydration, allergies, hormonal changes, aging, and genetics. Luckily, cucumbers are a natural diuretic, meaning they can help to reduce swelling and inflammation in the body. This property makes them a popular choice for people who want to reduce puffiness under their eyes. To reduce puffiness under your eyes, place thin slices of cucumber over your eyelids for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also place the cucumber slices in the refrigerator for a few minutes beforehand for a cooling and soothing effect. Just make sure that the cucumber does not come into contact with your eyelashes. Let us know in the comments if you've tried placing cucumbers on your eyes. Hack number 5 is aloe vera overnight to repair your skin while you sleep. Aloe vera is a natural ingredient that has been used for centuries for its healing and soothing properties. It is a very effective ingredient for repairing damaged skin, reducing inflammation, and providing intense hydration. Applying aloe vera gel to your skin before bed can help to repair damage from UV exposure, pollution, and other environmental stressors. This tip is especially helpful if you have dry, sensitive, or sun-damaged skin. To do this, apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your skin and let it absorb before going to bed. You can use it as a spot treatment on areas of your skin that are dry, you're irritated, or damaged. Or you can use it all over your face and neck. In addition to its repairing properties, aloe vera is also a great moisturizer and can help to improve the overall health and appearance of your skin. It helps to restore the skin's natural moisture barrier, leaving it soft, smooth, and hydrated. Plus, it's also a natural anti-inflammatory agent, so it can help to soothe irritated skin and reduce redness and puffiness. Hack number 6 is rice water toner to brighten and smooth your skin. Rice water is a natural toner that can help to brighten and smooth your skin. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as dark spots and other types of hyperpigmentation. Additionally, rice water also contains ferulic acid, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. To make a rice water toner, add half a cup of rice to 2 cups of warm water and let it soak for about 30 minutes. Strain the rice water into a clean container and then use a cotton pad to apply it to your face. You can use it as a toner after cleansing your face in the morning and at night. It's important to note that rice water is a gentle exfoliant and can help to brighten and smooth the skin. However, it should not be used as a replacement for sunscreen. Our next hack is the cold spoon under eyes to depuff in seconds. This is a quick and easy hack that you can use to depuff under your eyes in seconds. The cold temperature of the spoon will help to constrict the blood vessels and reduce inflammation, which can help to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In addition, massaging the under eye area with a spoon can help to stimulate blood flow and promote lymphatic drainage, which can also help to reduce puffiness. To do this, simply take a spoon from the refrigerator and gently massage the under eye area for a few minutes until the puffiness is reduced. You can also wrap the spoon in a tissue or cloth if you prefer not to touch your skin directly. If you enjoy these skincare tricks, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Now let's move on to hack No. 8, which is oatmeal and yogurt mask to calm redness naturally. Oatmeal. In yogurt are 2 ingredients that can help to calm redness and soothe irritated skin. Oatmeal is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that can help to reduce redness and irritation, while yogurt contains lactic acid, which can help to exfoliate the skin and reduce inflammation. To make this mask, mix together half a cup of ground oatmeal with 1/4 cup of plain yogurt in a small bowl. Apply the mixture to your skin using a brush or your hands, and let it sit on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Before rinsing with lukewarm water and patting your skin dry with a clean towel, this is a great mask for those with sensitive or rosacea-prone skin. The 9th hack is apple cider vinegar toner to balance oily skin. Apple cider vinegar is a natural toner that can help to balance oily skin and reduce the appearance of large pores. It is rich in acetic acid, which can help to exfoliate the skin and reduce inflammation. In addition, apple cider vinegar is also a natural astringent, which can help to tighten the appearance of pores and improve skin texture. To use apple cider vinegar as a toner, simply dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in 2 cups of water and apply it to your face using a cotton pad. You can use it as a toner after cleansing your face in the morning and at night. Now let's summarize all the skincare hacks we discussed today. As you can see, there are plenty of affordable, natural, and effective skincare options available at home. Remember, consistency is key when trying out these tips. Give them at least a few weeks to see if they work for you. If you enjoyed these hacks, please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our upcoming natural beauty secrets. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.